We're going to try these new True Fruit chocolate covered strawberries and raspberries. So I've opened them up ready to go. I'm going to pop them in the microwave for 10 seconds or so and take them up to the kids, and we're all going to give them a taste test and see what we think. So this is what they are looking like, and it does say to leave them out of the packaging for like 15 minutes and then have them, but I'm just going to put them in the microwave instead. We've got some chocolate covered strawberries and raspberries to try. Who's going to go first?
Me.
I think the raspberries are the dark chocolate and the strawberries are the milk chocolate.
I want one of that.
Wow!
What do you think?
Don't want this one. I want the same as you guys.
They're good.
Hmm.
I'm going to try a dark chocolate raspberry. That is so good. Did you have a strawberry or raspberry?
Strawberry.
Oh my god, so nice. You like it?
No!
Nice, yeah? You don't normally eat raspberries. What do you rate them out of 10?
Oh, no, 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 no.